Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Gustavo Rojas and production behind that camera, we would like to say welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and today, well, first of all, we'd like to thank all of you. And I gotta tell you why, so guys, this is so cool. I know that I've been off. We're not being like so productive behind, behind this, giving you some new content. But I have something really cool to celebrate, and this is actually thanks to you guys. Currently, we have 4,100 subscribers, and till today, we have almost 500,000 views in this channel. So thank you very much to all of you for all your likes and support and sharing this content. That seems to be like everybody is enjoying it. So cheers to all of you guys. Thank you so much. And today, well, because of that, obviously we started like getting the temperatures rising. And back in the beautiful days when I was in the Revolution Avenue, these cocktails actually, they were a really good inspiration for me and for lots of you that are running in the 40s, late 40s. This is gonna be the tropicals in the 90s. So if you allow me, I'm gonna be showing you how to make 3 different cocktails for easy, intermediate, and pro in a tropical way. Okay, so we're gonna start with really easy to make Fuzzy Navel. Fuzzy Navel, so cool. We're gonna start as easy as this. Ice, a glass, peach schnapps, 3 ounces. Why 3 ounces? Well, this spirit or this creme or schnapps, it is 30% proof. So it's really low content of alcohol. So you're not gonna have any problem like drinking a couple of these guys and you'll be completely safe. Fill up the rest of the glass with a fresh orange juice. Bring your straw, stir, orange wedge. There you have it. That's gonna be your peach schnapps. Now you wanna try to just like bring things a little bit 1 notch up. Let's get your tulip glass. Let's get more ice. Ha! Ice. All right. Basically, technically the same ingredients, but we just want to spike it up with some vodka. So we're going to go for 1.5 ounces of vodka. Let's put 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Let's get orange juice, 2 ounces. And 2 ounces of cranberry. Make sure you put your orange wedge. And you end up with the famous sex on the beach. Yummy. Things are getting a little bit heater. You want to just definitely take off and just be that person that actually has a lot of fun in the bar. Get the large tulip and get more ice. Ha! Lots and lots of ice. So for this one in particular, you guys, I will totally suggest you just to take it easy because you'll see what kind of a bomb is this. This is the Tokyo tea. So we're gonna start with Barback. Take it, production. What I will do without my production. Right, so we're gonna go for 1/2 ounce of vodka. Rum, 1/2 ounce. Let's get some gin, 1/2 ounce. Tequila, sure, why not? 1/2 ounce. Let's put a little bit more flavor too with 1/2 ounce of triple sec. Melon liqueur or Midori. Same thing, 1/2 ounce. Now, we're gonna get fresh lime and fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce as well. lime, lemon juice, half an ounce of simple syrup. Let's grab a little bit of club soda. Garnish this guy. Well, you can just kind of like put a large straw, stir, and let's put a nice lemon with a cherry. And there you have it. Beginners, intermediate, and pros. Please be aware of how much do you drink, and remember, don't drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, everyone. See you next time.